In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the checking info problem in the Google Play Store, also known as the checking info loop. This issue usually appears when you're trying to sign in or add a Google account on your Android device, and the Play Store gets stuck on a screen that says checking info without moving forward. It can be really frustrating, but in most cases, it's caused by a few simple things: network problems, outdated services, or corrupted app data. In this guide, I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process to fix it. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're on mobile data, switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network if possible. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause the Play Store to hang on checking info. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off, or briefly turning Wi-Fi off and back on to refresh the connection. Next, we're going to work on the Google Play Store app itself. Open your device settings. Then go to Apps or Application Manager, depending on your phone. Find Google Play Store in the list and tap on it. Here, force stop the app to completely close it. Then go to Storage and clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be interfering with the sign-in process. If the problem persists, you can also clear storage or data for the Play Store. Keep in mind, this will reset the app, but your purchases and installed apps are linked to your Google account, so they won't be lost. After that, do the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework if your device shows those entries. Force stop them, clear their cache, and if needed, clear storage. These services run in the background and are essential for account verification, so refreshing them can break the checking info loop. Once you've cleared the caches, restart your phone. A full reboot makes sure all background services reload cleanly with the new settings. When your device turns back on, open the Google Play Store again and try signing in or adding your account. Make sure you enter your account details correctly and wait a few moments on the checking screen. If it still gets stuck, double-check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, then Date and Time, and enable automatic date and time if it's not already on. Incorrect time settings can cause communication errors with Google's servers. After adjusting that, try one more time to open the Play Store and sign in. In most cases, following these steps carefully will resolve the checking info loop and get your Play Store working normally again.